All right, so in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to take a link from Google Docs or Google Drive and put it into your Canvas course. So I'm first going to go to my Google Drive. Okay, I already have a file, or excuse me, a folder opened up. Let's say I want my students to read this culture note on collective values in the deaf community. I'm not going to embed it into my course. I just want the document to be an external link. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to Share. I'm going to get a shareable link. I'm going to copy that link. Then I'm going to go over to my Canvas instance. So here I am in my American Sign Language class. I'm going to go to Modules. Okay. Let's see, where do I want to put this? All right, so this is going to be in my ASL Culture 1 module. So I'm going to click plus. And again, since I don't want to embed it in a page, I'm just going to make it an external URL. I'm going to paste that link right there, and I'm going to name the page. So this was collective values. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and indent it. And then I'm going to add my item. So it'll be at the bottom. Let's say I want this to be after they've done their ASL 1 or homework 1.1 ASL strategies. I do need to publish it so my students can see it. And then from their view, let's see what that looks like. I'll go to settings so I can go into student view. Okay, I'm going to click on student view. So now I'm seeing what my students see. I'm going to go to modules. Collapse those. All right, here we go. So I'm going to click on the link. And there is my Google Doc, so my students can read it. And then I'm going to show one more option, and that is embedding, in case we want to get a little bit niftier. I'm going to do this with a presentation. So I'm going to go into my presentations folder in my Google Drive. I'm going to do this homework assignment. Okay, I'm going to click share. Share is the most important thing that we do whenever working with Google Drive. Now, I do encourage my students and teachers to not worry about typing people's names in with their email address. All you need to do is get shareable link and copy that link. And then anybody with this link, so if it is either embedded into a page or if it is added to a module via an external URL, those people are going to be able to view it. They won't be able to edit it, they won't be able to comment, they just won't be able to view. You can change that if you'd like, but I don't want to. So I just want my students to be able to see it. So I'm going to click done. Now for embedding, I'm going to then go to File. I'm going to click on Publish to the Web. I'm going to go to Embed. I'm going to copy this code. Okay. I can make it so that the slideshow starts and it automatically changes pages on its own. I tend to just let the students click through as they'd like. Then I go over to my Canvas instance. I need to leave the student view. I'm going to go into modules. Okay, let's say that this is a culture assignment also. I'm going to click plus. I'm going to just create a content page. It's a new page. Can't remember what it was called. I'm going to embed it, or excuse me, indent it, so just we can see it a little bit better. And then again, it's going to be at the bottom of this module. And then I can place it wherever I want. Let's just put it right here. Okay, I'm going to publish it, open it up. I'm going to go into edit. I'm going to go into my HTML editor. And then I'm just going to paste that code. And then I'm going to save it. And then here we have that slideshow. Oh, and there's a video of me. Okay. And that is it. So everything that the slideshow shows in your Google Drive is what your students are going to see right into Canvas. Okay. So let's just do the sharing. Remember, the most important thing that we do with Google Drive is you have to click share. Remember, we're just going to go to get shareable link. I'm going to copy that link and go back over to my Canvas instance. Go into my module. Okay, this is the numbers one. So I'm going to add it to that module. Make it, external URL. Just going to paste it. There we go. So remember, it's going to be down at the bottom, unpublished. We can move it wherever we'd like. Let's publish it. And there it is. Let's go back to student view. Go to modules. There it is. There is my presentation. If you want to make it in just present mode and not in this editing mode, again, your students can't edit it. But if you want to make it so it's in presentation mode, that is just one extra step. Let me show that to you now. Here's cardinal numbers. I'm going to go to present, and I'm going to go in this arrow right next to it. I'm going to present it in a new window. I'm going to get this URL rather than the one in shared. However, I do need to make sure that I do click share first before I go into the present in a new window. I'm going to go into my Canvas instance. Go to modules. Now let's go ahead and just edit this one. $29. And there we go. So you'll see I did have to click here in order to get to the link. And there it is. Okay, hopefully this was helpful. Just remember, before we put anything from Google Drive into Canvas, we want to click share and get shareable link. That's regardless if you are a teacher or a student. So if students are writing an assignment on Google Drive and using Google Docs or Google Sheets, whatever it may be, they do need to make sure that they click share and get shareable link. All right, hopefully this was helpful, and let me know if you have any questions.